Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we are going to be unboxing a LOL OMG doll, the boss. Well, the reason why I got this is pretty much because I like dolls, and LOL dolls are my favorite. And I've actually never opened an OMG doll before. So, anywho, let's get into the video. But before you keep on watching, make sure you like and subscribe. And turn on notifications. And yeah, let's just get into it. So, I have already taken the plastic off. And if you just open it up like this, that is what she looks like. And it says big hair, bigger dreams, high heels, higher standards, fierce style, fiercer drive. Anywho, on the back, you can see that's her right there, and then the other dolls are over there. So let's just open it up all the way. Oh gosh. Oh! She's so pretty. Grandma, look how pretty she is.
She is beautiful. Oh my gosh, I love her.
And then you can see her little sister on the bottom. And then she has the bags with her clothes in there, and then I'm just going to take that out of there. Oh, and the things become a play set. So you can see like a little chair, a mirror, or is that a mirror? Lights, and then like a coffee station. Well, you guys can't really see that, but yeah, let's get to unboxing. So I'm just gonna take these out of there. Get my scissors. Try not to make a mess. Oh, and she has this little magazine. You can just fold it. It says Fashion BB magazine. What's your star sign? And then if you open it up, it says Libra. I don't really understand what the other one says. Anywho, wake up, beauty, it's time to beast. So that's what it says, and that's what the front looks like. So here is her little bag. Right there. I don't want to tear this because it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, you guys see that? It's popping out. Okay. You know, I'll just take it off the thing. I really do not want to mess up this bag. It's so cute. Give me a second. Oh. Okay, I had to mess it up.
Yes.
Ooh. I would definitely wear this. She has a gold jacket right there. And she has a little shoebox. She wears a size 6.5. And if you open them up, oh, look at these boots. Look at pretty. You can't hear my great grandma in the background. But, oh, my nails are doing painted. Oh. Get that out. Ooh. See what's in here. Oh, that is so cute. She has a little bag. It's like a newspaper. And then she has these really cute earrings. And then I have no idea what this is. And then probably a little bracelet. That is the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Ooh. Okay, let's get this last Armé bag out. I really do not want to mess up these because you could actually use them for a BB store. Sorry guys. Let's just open this up. Oh, and you get a little skirt. Or pants. These are cute. Really cute, actually. These remind me of Bratz dolls. Okay, now let's get the doll. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a little snip and snapping. But you do not want to cut her beautiful hair. So I'm just gonna...
I'm gonna go back over here and do this.
Okay. First one. Second. No, not second. These things are annoying me. Okay, there we go. Oh, let's get the hat out. She does have a hat. Okay, now that I got the hat out, this is a humongous hat. Oh, and she does have like a little hair comb to stick it in her hair so it will stay. I really like this. So the doll is... let's see what this is good. And then right here she has, well, you have your little stand. I really do not know how this goes. Okay, I hope I didn't break anything. I do not want to mess up her hair. Okay, there we go. I could have did that a long time ago. Whew. That's a lot of hair. We just play with it a little bit. Okay, hold up. Okay, now that I know this, snip. And I would definitely not use this because I don't want to mess up her curls. So, yeah, I'm not using it. And this is going to be kind of hard to get her out. Oh. No cutting hair. There we go. Oh, there's another one somewhere. Oh. There we go. I will be making a part 2 of this just to, yeah, I will be making a part 2. There we go. Nothing broken. Oh my gosh, she is really pretty.
I really like her hair.
You can pop her hands off just so, like, if you have a jacket or something, well, to put the jacket on, but make sure you pop them right back on because you don't want to lose her hand, especially if you're making a doll video, like, you're just acting. She is fully articulated, movement at the head, like that. I'm kind of mad that her feet, not her feet, her legs don't move like her hands do. Uh-oh. Where's her other hand? I popped her other hand. Oh, no, I found it. Sorry, guys. 1 second. Okay, I got her other hand, and look at that manicure. Grandma, you see that? Okay, enough showing that. Let's pop her hand back on. Because I knew something fell. Oh, come on. Okay, there we go. So she is really pretty. It looks like she has a bathing suit on. Her hair is pulled back into a nice fluffy ponytail. And of course she has that LOL face, laugh out loud face. She has gigantic eyes. And I really like her gold hair and her makeup. So I'm just going to get her pants on. Right here. And then, hold up, wait a minute. Can her feet even fit? Okay. These things are hard to pull up. Oh gosh. I am really loving this hair. It's like a pom-pom. Okay. Come here. Got it. Just gotta pull it up a little bit more, I think. Just gonna roll her pants up a little bit so we can pop those shoes on. Wait, which? Okay. I didn't know putting clothes on the LOL though was so hard. Okay, and then you can just put her pant leg back down. And then just pop the other shoe on.
Attach this
Okay. Guys, stay tuned for the next video. So, and I am posting this probably today. I don't know. Well, see you in the next video, I guess.